How to make Moroccan food. Your step-by-step guide to cooking Moroccan food. Written by HowExpert Press. Narrated by Jared James. Introduction. Moroccan cuisine is considered one of the finest in the world, characterized by a very wide variety of dishes: couscous, tagines, countless pastilla, barbecue, and a host of many other dishes commonly known only by Moroccans. Equally delicious recipes include the tagine mrouzia, the tangia kebab, harira, otherwise known as breakfast, the sefa, and there are also a plethora of regional recipes, and each region has its own variety of mint for tea. Moroccan pastry is also extremely diverse and sophisticated. Main ingredients: vegetables. Among the two most commonly used vegetables in Moroccan cuisine are eggplant and garlic. However, the garlic has a distinct aroma and the eggplant is a much deeper hue of pink, making them different from those used in Europe. Distinctive variations of citrus and especially lemon are the most commonly used, and dried fruits such as dates and melons are also widely used in Moroccan dishes. Cereals are also important and commonly used ingredients for Moroccan cuisine. They are mainly used for making bread, specifically the well-known pita bread. The flat, pancake-shaped bread is traditionally made in the home by master craftsmen. Meat. The most commonly used meats in Moroccan cuisine are lamb and chicken, unlike European foods that contain primarily beef and veal. Most often, the meat dishes are cooked or stewed, or kebab. The latter is usually sold or prepared by street vendors. Fish and seafood. Fish and seafood are either boiled or fried, but it is harder to find quality seafood in the inner cities of Morocco, a country known for its rather warm and sweltering climate. If you want to enjoy good food, fish or seafood, you will need to go to the coastal regions. Spices. Spices are the foundation of the unique cuisine and are commonly used in Moroccan recipes. Many culinary dishes contain ingredients such as cinnamon, paprika, mint, saffron, black pepper, cumin, and the like. This unique variety of spices perfumes the Moroccan cuisine. Drinks. Tea is one of the most consumed beverages in Morocco, to the extent of drinking it up to 6 times a day. If we are offered a cup of tea, we must not refuse because it would be considered bad form or possibly an insult. Moroccan wine is also one of the finest, especially the wines with the designation of origin in Meknes. The use of spices. Spices are a fundamental component and widely used in Moroccan recipes. Many culinary dishes contain ingredients such as cinnamon, paprika, mint, saffron, black pepper, cumin. A variety of spices gives the Moroccan cuisine a unique aroma. Background about Moroccan food. What's tagine? The taine or tagine is a stew named after the earthenware pot in which the ingredients are slowly stewed. Taine can be served daily or even as a festive dish due to its ease of cooking and simplicity. This basic recipe can be modified to your liking both in the choice of meat and spices as well as technique and recipe. In fact, there are a variety of tagines: chicken, lamb, veal, fish, and vegetables. It can vary according to seasonal vegetables: aubergines, beans, artichoke hearts, zucchini, and spinach. Tagines are cooked with fresh fruit or dried fruits, almonds, dried apricots, and prunes, or lemon comfit. What's Pastilla? Pastilla or bastille is a Moroccan culinary specialty made of laminated sheets, based onion, pigeon or chicken, guinea fowl or seafood, parsley, coriander, boiled egg, and a sweet and salty almond mixture flavored with cinnamon. At parties, it is generally served just before the main course as an appetizer. What's shermula or mshermel? Shermula is the marinade used for meats such as fish, lamb, and chicken.